In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot to Zapier quickly and efficiently. This process is a great way to automate tasks and enhance your productivity by integrating one of the most popular customer relationship management tools with a leading automation platform. Let's get started. First, we need to navigate to the HubSpot homepage. You can easily do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering the URL hubspot.com into the address bar. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button. This button is typically located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be directed to the login page. If you're not signed up, you'll want to register by following the prompts provided. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home dashboard. From here, locate the marketplace icon. This usually appears as a small store icon somewhere on the main navigation menu, depending on the layout of your dashboard. Clicking this icon will open HubSpot's extensive marketplace, where you can find and integrate a variety of apps to bolster your CRM experience. Now that you're in the marketplace, your next step is to search for the specific app you want to integrate, Zapier in this case. Within the marketplace, find the search bar, which is typically set at the top of the interface. Click into the search bar and type in Zapier. Press enter, and you should see Zapier listed among the search results, usually within the top few options. Once Zapier pops up, click on it to open its marketplace page. This page provides detailed information on what Zapier can do, its integrations, and reviews from other users. You'll see a button labeled Install App on this page. Simply click on this button to begin the installation process. HubSpot will guide you through the necessary prompts to authorize the connection between HubSpot and Zapier. Depending on your settings, you might need to grant additional permissions to allow this integration. And there you have it, a seamless connection between HubSpot and Zapier. By following these straightforward steps, you've now opened up a world of automation possibilities. This integration can help you streamline your workflows, improve team productivity, and facilitate smooth data transfer between your applications. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, HubSpot's support resources are an excellent place to turn to. Thanks for watching and enjoy using your newly integrated tools.